this is how I keep the puppies. I just made it. I kind of made like a little water bottle wall, as you can see, a little pathway. Then continuing the water bottle wall, made like a little carpet. I'm still missing like a couple spots right there, but I'll get some more water bottles, drink them all, finish it, and place them down. I need to fix this real quick. Okay. And as you can see right there, she's moving. I'm just gonna place the camera right here, so it's my phone. Okay, there we go. Hopefully you can see me. I don't know the camera angle. She's fine. Okay, okay. So, one puppy right here. Go ahead and get that down. Second one, so 2 of them are eating right now, so I can't show you them right now. But yeah, I just have like a little setup right there. And yeah, that's the video.